Yes, I am shooting in the dark. Right up here, I have my flash, I have my Canon, I have my iPad, and the software that I am using, you guys already know, I am using Snappic, okay? So right now, the photo's coming out a little too bright. I tried making the changes here on the camera. It's set to manual. When I tried making those changes did not reflect on the Snappic software. So what I realized is you have to exit and go into your dashboard, go to Start Booth, and within this area right here, go to Image and then change your ISO, aperture, shutter speed. In this case, I'm just gonna change the aperture to 2.5, which is going to make it a little darker. Now, really quick, the lower the number on the aperture, the more light that comes in, which means you're gonna get a brighter photo. The larger the number on the aperture, the less light that comes in, the darker you're gonna have who taught you how to speak English, David? I speak English, whatever. So you guys get the point. Now I'm gonna hit submit right here and start the booth. And let's go ahead and take a photo here in this dim environment with the flash set. All right, let's go ahead and rock this one out. All right, so I captured the image and let's see. Okay, this is cool. Now, even though on my skin tone, I'm a little more on the orange side during the spring and the summer, that's just why I become a carrot. On this end, it looks pretty good. On my phone, it looks a little bit warmer, but this is a lot better. So I'm gonna roll with this photo.